The Bitcoin Whitepaper, penned by an individual or group under the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, was published on October 31, 2008, titled Bitcoin, a Peer-to-Peer Electronic Cash System. This seminal document laid the foundation for Bitcoin, the first decentralized digital currency. It addresses the core problem of double spending in digital currency without the need for a trusted third party, proposing a groundbreaking solution that has since revolutionized the financial world. The white paper begins by outlining the inherent limitations of traditional online transactions, which rely heavily on financial institutions to serve as trusted intermediaries. This reliance leads to increased transaction costs and restricted transaction freedom. Bitcoin, as introduced by Nakamoto, removes the need for these intermediaries by using a peer-to-peer network. Central to Bitcoin's design is the blockchain, a public ledger that records all transactions. Every transaction is broadcast to the network and included in the blockchain through a process called mining. Mining involves solving complex cryptographic puzzles, and the first miner to solve the puzzle adds a new block of transactions to the chain. This not only secures the network but also prevents the double spending problem. Nakamoto introduced a concept called proof of work to enforce a chronological order in the blockchain and secure the network from fraud. This mechanism requires significant computational power, deterring malicious activities by making them economically unfeasible. The decentralized nature of this process ensures that no single entity can control the Bitcoin network, enhancing security and transparency. The white paper also discusses the method of generating new Bitcoins. Every block mine not only processes transactions but also releases new Bitcoins as a reward to the miners, a process designed to emulate the scarcity and value derived from mining precious metals. The total supply of Bitcoins is capped at 21 million, a decision intended to prevent inflation. Moreover, the document addresses privacy concerns. While all Bitcoin transactions are public on the blockchain, the identities of the parties involved are protected through digital pseudonyms or addresses. This provides a level of anonymity, though not absolute, as sophisticated analysis could potentially trace transactions back to real-world identities. Bitcoin's white paper is concise yet comprehensive, encompassing only 9 pages yet efficiently laying out a robust framework for a decentralized digital currency. It has sparked the creation of numerous other cryptocurrencies and blockchain technologies, fundamentally altering our concept of money and transaction mechanisms in the digital age. Through Bitcoin, Nakamoto proposed not just a currency but a new paradigm for financial autonomy and peer-to-peer exchange.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more great videos.